Alright everyone, welcome to T.Cobb's Eats. My name is Taylor and today we're going to walk you through the most amazing chili lime chicken salad. Let's get right into it. Let's get the oven ready. Onto the rub mixture. Divide one chicken breast in half. Season. Rub evenly on the chicken. Prepare stovetop to medium-high heat. Chicken should sizzle when it makes contact with the pan and sear both sides. And now we'll finish it off in the oven for a few minutes. Remove from the oven and allow the chicken to cool down. Once cooled, turn to a cutting board. Slice. And now our chicken is ready to go. Add all ingredients into a blender container. Now we'll insert the blender attachment and BLITZ. And now add water 1 tablespoon at a time for desired consistency. Combine the greens and the salad dressing into a large bowl. Be delicate to the greens by mixing with your hands. Got the chili lime chicken salad. Enjoy! Oh, one last thing. If you like what you saw today, please hit the like button down below. And if you'd like to stay updated with what's coming up next, please click that subscribe button as we're going to have new videos for you every single week. And then for now, have a good one.